So I'm scared to even open all this, but I have to. I don't know where to start. It's always where to start. Okay guys, I'm Amar. If you think I haven't showered and my hairs are everywhere, so that's true. I haven't showered yet because I'm trying to work on something. So I bought a DMC Mini 2 CNC machine almost more than a month ago, and I never got opportunity to build that. I have read something, it takes almost 20 hours of work to put it together. I don't know how long it's gonna take me. So I have opened my first box and I don't know what all I have got, but there are a lot of things I got it from that box. All this, there are some metal base, lot of things. None of this has any part numbers printed on that or anything. So okay, I'm just gonna start gathering all the stuff here and then see how it goes afterwards. So right now I have something, two red metals, some, I don't know, some triangle type of things, angle brackets. Then I have, I don't know what these small things are, where it's gonna go. I have no idea. I haven't actually used CNC ever in my life. I just know how it works. I make drawings, I give it to people to make that. But yeah, this will be the best experience when I'm building my own CNC, when I don't even use it, and I will learn from it, so you guys can learn with me along with that. Okay, so this is my first box right now here. I'm gonna gather the second box and start putting all the stuff here and then see what we get. I'll be really happy if I get some manual where I can read some, like maybe work instructions or something, drawings and diagrams, which I can start putting together these parts. But I'm really disappointed seeing there is no part number labels or anything on this. This is the box number 2 I'm trying to cut and see what's inside. I still don't know. I feel like this is maybe something like a tool holder or something, which goes inside the CNC, which is going to hold my my workpiece or the metal piece or any material, base material to be machined. Not sure yet. Okay, some kind of square rails here. This is what I found from the box 2, and this is from the box 1. You can see it here. This is the rail 1 which I removed. We have like two bases for the rail here. What else? We got more actuators, or what we can call it as a ball screw. That is it. That is it. So yeah, the box is empty. That is it. Nothing else is in there. Keep this box aside. What we got here? We got all the parts like couplers, rails, more rails, some just standoffs, more rails. So this is my box 3. So we have box 1, box 2 and box 3. I have 2 more boxes which are actually pretty big. I don't know what's in there. So So now it's time I should open that. Right now I feel like I'm gonna go out of space and I will not have enough space to build this equipment on this small table. I wanted to just use this until I build that and then later get some industrial grade good table, as this is being just a picnic table. What to do? I think I'm gonna take my 3D printer out from here and make myself more space so I can lay out my parts and build it here. Okay, so as I said earlier, I opened 3 boxes. So first box, which is the parts are here, then we have the second parts here, and those are our third parts. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and attempt to open the one of the big box. I wish to find some manual if there is any. I don't know if I can be successful finding one. If I can't, then I'll figure out how to put it together. But today's goal is just to open the rest of the boxes. We already have space, and then figure out if we can find the manual. That's it. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm on the box number 4. Let's see what's inside. I already opened this and I saw so many parts inside and I kind of got scared of it and closed it off because I was busy during that time. And now I'm gonna go through it one more time just to check if I can find something, parts which are actually help us to build this machine faster. So look at this. There's like a lot of parts in there and we don't know what these are. So tubes, I believe these are the tubes for the fluid, like maybe the cutting fluid to pass. Maybe there is the oil or something, so this tube belongs to all those things. This looks like the side. Now I think, okay, yeah, it looks like something the top of the machine. I believe it belongs to that. There is something here. I don't know what this is. As I said earlier, they also give zip ties, the favorite tool ever built in the universe. If you don't have anything, you should have zip ties and you can put things together. From some engineers, so take it as a advice. Always have zip ties with you. I'm still debating, should I start with this first or something else. I don't know. The hose, and I feel like this is all internal parts. There is a motors are there. I see that it's a pump. It's a fluid pump. Yeah. Why I think I should do this at the end. I believe these are the parts which we may need to install at the end. Let me try and open the last and 5th box and see what's inside, which we haven't checked yet. But they have given me some kind of what do you call that? Some scale, digital angle ruler. Okay. They have given it. Maybe it's going to be useful in the build. So guys, here I am with the box number 5. It's as heavy as the previous one. It's unopened yet. I'm gonna open and see what I can find inside. So, box number 5, we have some kit here. I remember ordering extra bits of all the size for CNC, so we have that here. I can just keep it aside for now because we're not ready to cut yet. We still have to build the machine, so I will keep it there. I don't know what that is. It says pneumatic fittings. So there are some kind of pneumatic fittings here. Okay. Wires. There are more wires. Something is interesting in this. I don't know what this is. Let's open it. Are they sending me some diamonds? Oh, it's like a chucks. I think for the different baits I may need this. Yeah, I know what this is. I don't know how to use this, or I haven't used it. Instead of saying I don't know how to use it, I can figure it out. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, there is something more here. Look at this. Let's open it. Open it. Okay. Okay, it is for the, I think, to make it balance or level the bed. I'll keep that there as well. What else we have? More cables. Then I remember ordering precision wise. So yeah, they deliver this as well. I will keep it aside as well, as I don't need that right now. There are more cables. This is, I think, the cable for the main power. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, take it out. Cables, take it out. More cables. We'll take out all the cables. What they got here? Instruction manual. Awesome. This is what they gave me inside the box. They should have just emailed me. I don't know. I haven't checked my email if they ever did. But if you guys are trying to build this machine and you guys don't have instruction manual, scan this QR code. This is what I wanted. Now we will get it done fast. So there is an instruction manual here. Thank you, DMC2. Along with that, they have more parts in here. I don't know what this is. Where to open? It says DC 5 volt. I think it's some kind of power supply or something. They have main power supply here, which is 110, 2.2 kilowatt, 3 output. It does not look like power supply. It's actually I think my spindle. This looks like spindle. I'll start putting these parts in the back here. That looks the spindle. This is all the cables, and then more hardware. Lot of hardware. This is like a lot of hardware, and then they have the counts on that. So this is good. Thank you, DMC, for this. I don't know what these two parts are. Yeah, a lot of hardware. I have still 2 more boxes in there. This thing I don't have label, but it's a power supply. It's a power supply. I believe it will be 110. I will check that later whenever I need it. Else I have extra power supplies which I'm gonna use for this application. But right now there's a one big box inside. Okay, come out. Okay. What is this? It says something 110. So it's electrical. I think all the electrical parts were in this 5th box. I haven't even opened the 4th box fully yet because I found a lot of tubes and the parts which I don't think I need it right now. And then moving forward, I'm gonna go with my that QR code which they have provided. I'm gonna scan that, get my manual, and build it with that manual. Okay. But, before I get there, let me open this box. Let me see what's inside it. What we got. Tell me. It's something good packaging. It's something high precision part. I don't know. Let's check. And what is this part? Oh my God, I don't know what this is. What opening it? I'm gonna Oh, it's a spindle. It's an actual spindle. It looks big. Yeah. So this is the actual spindle. It should stay in there until I need that. I'm gonna transfer it back in my storage area because I don't wanna get it damaged right now. So goes back there. It's gonna be safe there. So we have all 4 boxes opened here. I still have to open 5th box. You already know that. It's saying that what I'm gonna do, what should be my next move will be is I'm gonna go scan my QR code, figure out what they are explaining in QR code, and I will start assembling this, and then we'll make more videos during that time. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like and subscribe.